Have you tried paying with your ANZ card only to see it declined? It can happen at a store, an ATM, or while shopping online. The good news is that a declined card does not always mean there is a serious problem. In many cases, the issue can be resolved with a few simple checks. One possible reason is that your available balance is not enough to cover the purchase. If you are using a debit card, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account for a credit card. Check whether you are reached your available credit limit or have any overdue payments affecting the account. Your card may also be declined if the card details were entered incorrectly during an online purchase. Double check the card number, expiry date, security code, and billing information before trying the payment again. Banks like ANZ also monitor transactions for unusual activity. If a purchase looks different from your normal spending pattern, such as a large payment or one made from a new location, the bank may temporarily decline the transaction as a security precaution until it can verify that it's really you. Sometimes the issue is not with your card at all. The retailer payments terminal in ATM or a temporary network problem can interrupt the transaction. Waiting a few minutes and trying again or using a different payment terminal if available may also the problem. It's also worth checking whether your card has expired or has been temporarily locked through the ANZ app. If you are reported the card is lost or stolen or placed a temporary lock on it, payments will continue to be declined until the restriction is removed or a replacement card is activated. If your ANZ card keeps being declined after these checks, open the ANZ app or internet banking to revive any alerts or account messages. If everything appears normal and the problem continues, contacting ANZ customer support is the best way to find out whether there is a security hold on or another issue that n- needs attention. Most ANZ card declines in Australia are caused by temporary security checks, incorrect payments details, account limits, or network issues. Reviving these common causes can help us you get to your card working again without